Do you ever hear marketing people talk about your brand message and wonder what yours really is? I'm going to help you with that, and I'm going to show you how powerful that can be on your website. And I can tell you now, it's nothing to do with that catchphrase or strapline that you've been working on. My name's Fiona from Fact Promotions, where we create custom websites for business and charities who don't speak tech. And I'm going to share with you today how you'll know when that brand message everyone talks about is spot on your website, and you're going to see results. So let's talk about your brand message. Is it that little catchphrase that people come up with? Is it a logo that people see around and recognize and think, oh, straight away I know who that is? Well, that's your branding, yes. But on your website, it needs to be so much more than that. It's about consistency of message. And that same consistency needs to run through your photos, your images, your color scheme, your font choices, and they are all down to who is your target audience. Always remembering who you serve and who you really want to help and really can help in your business or organization. So take, for example, we worked with a group of care homes who were trying to reach great new audiences and new customers, and they wanted to really get their brand out there. So they thought straight away, well, we deal with the elderly, so let's use really big fonts. But here's the funny thing about it. The people who choose the nursing home for mum or dad usually isn't mum or dad. It's their mid-40s, 50s-year-old sons or daughters. So if that's who you're aiming at, they don't necessarily need those great big fonts. They don't necessarily need to know that you have bingo on a Friday or you have a hairdresser on site. What really matters to them is your location and that proximity to where they live. So when they come to your website, what they're looking at as your target audience is how close are you to me? Because if I'm going to read all about everything that you do and everything you offer and then find out that you're really nowhere near me and it's going to do a 100-mile round trip for me every weekend to see mum or dad, you've kind of wasted my time, and that leaves a bad taste. Everybody's short of time right now. So make sure the first thing you do is meet them where they are now. They want to know, where are you? So start with search facility. Find our nearest location to you. Then if they look and you're wrong for them, you're just in the wrong area for them, great. You've not wasted their time and they've not wasted yours by clogging up your inquiry system when they're not going to come to you in the end. That's your real marketing message. Think about that person you're trying to aim at, and then those images that you choose want to be appealing to them. The fonts appeal to them, the colors appeal to them. It needs to work on the devices they're using right now. You need to think about all of that stuff behind the scenes. That's why here at Fact Promotions, we always do an industry 360 review before we start work on any designs or any coding for your website. If you'd like to find out more, you can reach out to me at factpromotions.co.uk or go onto Amazon and grab a copy of my best-selling book, Website Mastery for Business Owners Who Don't Speak Tech. I'd love to talk to you. If you need any help, come and find me. I'm easy to find.